Hi, Spark Kids. Okay, so yesterday we talked about this storm in Lake Maracaibo in Venezuela, and it almost always storms there. So there's howling wind, and there's pounding rain, and there's booming thunder, lightning streaking across the sky. Well, that's how we know there's a storm. So the scientists say that a storm is a serious disturbance in the Earth's atmosphere, and there are storms of wind, hail, snow, and even dust. But the most common storms that we're going to see are thunderstorms. And sometimes those are scary, right? The big thunder. Well, thunderstorms happen when hot air rises up and meets cooler air. And as the warm air cools the clouds, rain forms and lightning forms and thunder forms. So we just have to remember that just means that there's a disturbance somewhere. So the storms in our life are kind of the same thing. You know, in Matthew 14, Jesus was asleep during the storm because he knew he was going to be okay. But the disciples woke him up afraid, and God calmed the storm. Here's the thing. Jesus will always calm our storms for us. So we need to remember that when storms come in any kind of form, whether it's a real storm or whether it's like our life is really difficult, we just need to ask God for help, and we need to ask him to guide us and direct us and help us through. He will always be there, and he will lead us and protect us through the storm.